Wow. I'm not filming a lot on the way up because you'll just hear my ragged breathing.
She's going around you probably ain't gonna see her because she got into them trees. I don't think she'll come back out.
We're not going down that way, are we?
No.
No.
Okay. Sorry. I
Well,
see
you
enough
can.
there.
You can. There's a tree. Yeah.
Got kind of a late start today, but this is the last day. Aww. Hiking Grand Teton National Park. It's a beautiful day again. We're doing part of Garnet Canyon. Part of the lake, I think. I don't even know. Oh, some cute little sign, wanted. Oh, they're park biologists are researching, so they really do want you to tell them. Wow. Does that go down or is that just a lookout? No, that's it. I think it's just a lookout for people. Wow. Which one is that off in the distance? I wonder if that's Garnet Mountain.
Oh, Garnet should be this way.
Oh yeah.
It's too far.
Wow. Look at how big he is. Wow. I'm not filming a lot on the way up because you'll just hear my ragged breathing. I'll film on the way down. But it looks so cool. Oh my gosh, you have to look behind me. Look at this. Wow. We're at the top of Garnet Mountain almost. It's right up there. It looks so cool. Wow. Oh my God. It got snowbound up there and I cannot go any further. Prashant said he wanted to try and make it to wow, I'm just, it's breathtaking behind me. He wanted to try and make it to the junction up there and it was only like a quarter of a mile, but honestly, I think he's going to try and make it all the way to the top. So we're going to see what we'll see. Trying to follow these guys down the mountain, but my knee is killing me, brother. Let's go. Did you see 399?
Yeah, we've seen her last year.
Yeah.
Yeah, we seen her running through the field.
Yes.
And then we missed her last night.
Yeah, we saw her yesterday, I think.
But it looks like she's staying in that area because we've all been seeing her in that same spot. So
yes. All by the Parker Dam or whatever it is?
Yeah, yep.
Jackson Dam?
Yep.
Jackson Dam.
So we're probably going to just...
She's going around you probably ain't gonna see her because she got into them trees. I don't think she'll come back out.
We're not going down that way, are we?
No.
No.
Okay. Sorry. I
Well,
see
you
enough
can.
there.
You can. There's a tree. Yeah. You
Officially the fourth bear I've seen on live.
The tree.
This is so pretty up here. I think my GoPro ran out of battery already. What a piece of junk.
That's when all the icy bar starts.
Oh my gosh. Crazy.
There's actually a lot of snow there. I think we hike up to that reason with us.
You want to go say hi? Okay. Day final. Let's take one last walk around the good old neighborhood. Temperature's starting to drop too, so you know, what are you gonna do? Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, it doesn't rain tonight. Look at how beautiful the mountains are from here. Probably backcountry, even in a campground. What's in here? Wow. Look at this. Yeah, it is. 360 view. My last will and testament, Prashant says he sees a tiger.
Tiger Lake.
Which way is he walking? Looking that way. I don't see anything. These bushes are a lot taller than I expected. It's no wonder the bears were hidden in them.